Hello everyone, this is Daphne O back with another video, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to use the live message app that is available on certain Samsung phones and tablets. I will be demonstrating how to use this app on my Galaxy S6 Lite using the S Pen. As always, please excuse any background noise you hear. I'm not professional. I say this in all my videos. You will hear all the unprofessionalism in the background as we go. And back to the video, I'm gonna just put some music behind and let y'all enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see y'all at the end. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.